Okay, what is this?
Purple.
Purple?
Purple. Grapes.
Grapes.
Cupcake.
Cupcake. Egg. Lemon. That's peas. That's a cup. Fries. Cupcake. No, that's a, Connor, that is a pie.
Pie.
Cupcake. That's a strawberry. That's a hot dog bun. What is it? That's a pepper. That's lettuce. Lettuce. Bread. Cupcake. Chicken. It is fries. Pizza. Grapes. That's a chip. Broom. Oh. It's a nana? No, that's an orange. That's a pepper. Pizza. What's this? What does Connor have?
Candace.
Look it. Hot dog.
What is it? What's this?
Cucumber. Cucumber.
What's this?
Monkey. Pretzel. Popcorn.
I don't know that one.
That's not an oval, that's a chip. It's
Orange.
What's this, Candace? Bear. Give him a kiss. Is he hungry? Give him a donut.
Give him a cupcake.
Why are you kissing the cupcake? Here, would you like some more tea?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That tea's supposed to go in this.
Oh, whoopsies, here. Here you go. There's some more tea. Drink it. Drink it.
We got 2 more. Okay. Candace, we got 2 more. You ready?
Ready?
What's this? Tomato. What's this? What's this?
Say tomato.
What's this?
Oh, she's giving us some tea. Thank you, darling.